Hello everyone, welcome to Anmol Tech Studio. In this video, we are going to explore AI agents, what they are, how they function, and why they are becoming increasingly essential in today's world. Whether you're a beginner or someone familiar with technology, there is no need to worry. I will break everything down into simple terms so that anyone can understand. In our daily lives, we find ourselves spending a considerable amount of time engaged in repetitive tasks. Tasks like replying to emails, managing data, and performing the same work repeatedly can consume our time and energy. This can not only waste precious hours but also increase the risk of human errors. Instead of getting bogged down with monotonous routines, humans should be concentrating on thinking, creativity, and innovation. This is exactly where AI agents come into play, helping us shift our focus back to more meaningful and productive activities. Before diving deeper into AI agents, let's first understand what artificial intelligence, or AI, really means. AI is designed to learn from data. It can discern patterns and relationships within different kinds of information. Using this understanding, AI can generate answers and suggestions tailored to specific queries. Take, for example, ChatGPT or voice assistants like Siri. They're excellent at providing information based on the input received. However, conventional AI does have a limitation. It can offer answers but lacks the capability to take independent actions. This is where the concept of AI agents truly shines. An AI agent represents a more advanced form of AI. It functions as an autonomous system capable of thinking, making decisions, and executing tasks independently. Unlike traditional AI that merely responds to inquiries, AI agents are comprehensive. They take charge of entire tasks from inception to completion. In essence, you can think of an AI agent as an AI brain combined with actionable capabilities. So, how exactly do AI agents think, decide, and act? First, they analyze the situation at hand. Once they have a firm grasp on the context, they assess what the best possible action would be. After making this decision, AI agents proceed to execute the task using various connected tools. This layered process makes AI agents smart, efficient, and reliable, enhancing their ability to serve diverse needs. To further differentiate between traditional AI and AI agents, let's break down their functionalities. Traditional AI is primarily concerned with answering questions. It reacts based on the input provided. In contrast, AI agents are designed to complete tasks efficiently. While traditional AI requires continuous human input and generally works step by step, AI agents can operate independently and undertake multiple steps all at once. Where traditional AI simply provides information, AI agents deliver tangible results. AI agents function through a clear and structured workflow. The journey begins with an input or trigger that sets everything in motion. Once the trigger is activated, the AI brain analyzes and understands the context surrounding it. Following this understanding, it makes informed decisions based on relevant data. Subsequently, the AI agent utilizes various tools and applications to execute the task at hand. Finally, it produces an output or result, completing the cycle. Every AI agent is built from 5 main components that ensure its effectiveness. First, there is the input source, which could be anything from forms, emails, or messages that serve as the starting point. Next is the AI model itself, which acts as the brain, processing information and making decisions. The automation engine comes next. It's responsible for executing workflows efficiently. Additionally, the agent relies on tools and applications such as emails, spreadsheets, and messaging platforms to facilitate its tasks. Finally, we have the output or result, which is the tangible outcome delivered after task execution. To make things more relatable, let's consider a real-world use case for AI agents. Imagine a student who wants to get an answer to a question while studying online. Through a simple query, the AI agent can analyze the question and provide a clear explanation almost instantly. Not only that, but the answer can also be automatically saved as notes for future reference. This essentially creates a personal AI tutor that is available 24/7, making the learning process faster, more organized, and incredibly efficient. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI agents are transforming the way we approach work and learning. They handle all of the repetitive tasks that often bog us down, allowing humans to dedicate their time and skills to more critical work. It's important to note that AI agents are not just a concept to be anticipated in the distant future. They are already a reality that is reshaping industries and improving productivity. If you found this video to be informative and helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to Anmol Tech Studio. In our next video, we will guide you through the steps necessary to create your own AI agents from scratch. Make sure to stay tuned and embark on this exciting journey into the world of AI and automation.